most weighted sarees on handloom Jamdani. We have restock 3 different designs and the colors are going to be very different. 9831903694 is the booking number, free shipping all over India. Price at 1650, free shipping all over India, but COD is not available anywhere. Store address is 4/1 RBC Road, Calcutta 28, opposite Aditya Academy School, right? So after you have selected any of the sari and you wish to book, please take the clear screenshot and send us at 9831903694. 9831903694 is the booking number. After you make the payment, we will ship your parcel within 72 hours. Shipment slips are shared after 72 hours. So let's see what's there. The beautiful tulip, and here is the beautiful Jamdani with this particular color was much in weight, so few pieces have arrived. If you wish to book, please go ahead very fast. And the moment I see the different shades of violet, the things of anything which is related to intuition, passion, dreams, these are the beautiful words that comes to my mind. And just look at this beautiful sari, absolutely very pretty. The base color is an ivory shade. This is the base color of the sari. Now for the palla section, this comes the palla section of the sari. This is the beautiful palla section of the sari, absolutely very intricate work, and definitely you can reuse it in any other form. So the material will be very good, so don't throw the material. Just if you're bored of wearing the sari, use it as a dress or anything, however you wish to recreate it. Okay, so you need to tap your own creativity as per your needs. So this is how the sari is, and the blouse piece for the sari is again woven piece. So this is a small upper portion of the tulips on 2 colors of the shade of green and the violet are done all over the blouse piece. And I would recommend, please go for the stitching of the same blouse which is provided with this particular sari, which really going to enhance the authentic look of with Jamdani. Now here comes the border section, ma'am. This is how the border section is provided with the blouse piece. Price range 1650, free shipping all over India. Acha, next one, many of you keep on asking me, madam ye hai kya? So this is again restock. Now let me just show you the colors, so be very sure that these are the colors. Okay, so here are the beautiful colors and exactly the same what you can see on the camera. So here is again the beautiful one on Jamdani with the same off-white base. The base will be same, okay, the base will be same off-white. The difference will be the different kind of weaving with different kind of colors used on the same. So here comes the border section, as you can see, and the whole body is like this way. Please only go for dry wash for these kind of saris. And here comes the palla section. So this is how the palla section is designed. Absolutely comfortable sari. One of our client have shared a very pretty dress which she has made out of this sari. I would definitely love to share it, but I don't have right now her permission. It's looking so very nicely she has done. She has made a very pretty dress out of this particular sari, and really that's really looking so fantastic. I really appreciate her creativity. So again, this is how the sari is. Beautiful fall, absolutely very pretty. The fall comes very much in alignment, and the price range 1650, free shipping all over India. Next, ma'am, one more we do have. So this is the third option. ये तीसरा ऑप्शन है. सो जिन्हें भी जो भी ऑप्शन अच्छा लगे प्लीज़ क्लियरली स्क्रीनशॉट लीजिएगा. बेस कलर हर एक की साड़ी के साथ ऑफ वाइट ही रहेगा. डिफरेंस सिर्फ जो है इसकी जो बुनाई है उसकी डिफरेंस है. उस बुनाई में जो कलर यूज़ किए गए हैं थ्रेड क्या उसका ही डिफरेंस है. बट फैब्रिक सेम है, मटेरियल सेम रहेगी और हर एक ये साड़ी ऑफ वाइट ही बेस पर अवेलेबल है, ठीक है। और ये देखिए, दिस इज़ हाउ द बॉर्डर सेक्शन इज़ डिज़ाइन, वेरी प्रिटी बॉर्डर सेक्शन ऑफ द साड़ी, एब्सोल्युटली वेरी प्रिटी। एंड लहरिया पैटर्न डिज़ाइन, इसमें लहरिया पैटर्न डिज़ाइन की जामदानी की बुनाई की गई है। एंड लुक एट दिस ब्यूटिफुल बॉडी सेक्शन अलॉन्ग विद दिस काइंड ऑफ बॉर्डर, ठीक है। ये बॉर्डर है, प्लीज़ इसे सिर्फ ड्राई वॉश करें। और ये इसका आंचल सेक्शन है, दिस इज़ द आंचल सेक्शन, ठीक है। दिस इज़ हाउ द आंचल सेक्शन ऑफ द साड़ी इज़, beautiful आंचल section. Blouse piece, running blouse piece with the sari. This is the running blouse piece with the same kind of jamdani border provided for the blouse piece. Price range comes for 1650, free shipping all over India. So this is a very short video. I hope you liked it.